Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon all of you and hello. Thank you so much for watching our video. Today I'm excited to share you some important information about normal vocabulary versus advanced vocabulary. Stay with us and let's learn together.
Hi there, this is Miss Baul Islam
Hello everybody, this is Nur Hassan. Normal vocabulary,
versus advanced vocabulary.
interesting,
Captivating,
tired,
exhausted,
nervous,
apprehensive,
friendly,
amiable,
shy,
timid,
crowd,
bustling,
noisy,
defining,
lovely.
cautious.
That's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.
Bye.